Hello and welcome to another video of Vice Versa. ChatGPT is a true superpower in writing, and getting starting with it is not difficult at all. However, there are hidden prompts and formula that need to be known to get the most out of it. Using ChatGPT already provides a competitive advantage in writing. On top of that, this video will give you another advantage over all the typical robotic answer receivers. For the amazing and magical tricks, just follow me through this video. Now we'll be looking at 5 secrets of writing with ChatGPT. First one is writing an essay. ChatGPT can be used to write an essay, but you need to start thinking differently about it because ChatGPT sees things differently. For instance, this is a formula that ChatGPT is looking for. Write in the brackets you can write the length, then writing results on topic. Now ChatGPT works with formulas and you can craft unique prompts by adding variables. For instance, you can add variable in the formula as in the style of and then mention the style that you want your content to be in. This is the key to becoming more advanced in writing with ChatGPT. Now I'll be providing a simple command to ChatGPT. Write a 100 words paragraph on making money online in the style of a YouTuber, and I'll press send. As a result, ChatGPT is exactly writing a paragraph in a manner how the YouTubers usually share in their videos and how exactly they say it in their style. The second most amazing secret is writing with variables. A quick tip is to insert variables other than essays such as poems, blog article, or song. Users can also insert famous public personalities who have published a large body of work, such as philosophers, religious figures, or comedians. For example, I can ask ChatGPT to write a small song on breakup in style of Dua Lipa. And now you can see the amazing magic that is happening over in the video. You can see how ChatGPT is writing me a breakup song and that also in style of Dua Lipa. So it is how you can ask ChatGPT to mimic anyone and write content in their style. Third incredible secret is keywords to get the most out of writing. A powerful keyword is rephrase, which allows the expression of the same ideas in a different tone. This could easily be used for plagiarism, but the power of the rephrase keyword is demonstrated by turning a Wikipedia article into a unique piece of text. Now just take an example. Let's copy this text from here about Elon Musk. And paste it in ChatGPT. Once you are done with this, now add the keyword rephrase and wait for the command to be executed. Ta-da! ChatGPT has returned the rephrased article. So for a quick check, I pasted both the text in a plagiarism checker, and it showed that the Wikipedia article was 60% plagiarized, while the ChatGPT output was 100% unique. Isn't this amazing? The fourth trick is outlining information. Another powerful prompt is provide me with an outline. This can be used on books, articles, or transcripts to quickly absorb the information. You can also ask ChatGPT to elaborate on a specific point. Now I'll just ask ChatGPT to provide me with an outline for a promised land. And see how fast ChatGPT is providing me with the overall outline in just a few seconds. And now if you want to play more with this, you can just ask ChatGPT to explain any of these outline points in simple language and you can easily understand any kind of concept with it. The fifth and final remarkable secret trick is improving writing for young people. ChatGPT can be used to improve writing for young people. For example, if a young person writes a text with a very basic vocabulary, ChatGPT can help them string their thoughts together and improve their writing skills. Let's go through this example. So I'll just type, yesterday I went on a trip. It was really fun. I learned a lot. It was just beyond amazing. Now add quotation marks and write a command, replace my single English to advanced English, and see the magic being done.
Pursuant to my excursion yesterday, I can attest that the experience was both entertaining and educational. It surpassed expectations and proved to be nothing short of phenomenal.
That's it for today's video on 5 secrets to writing with ChatGPT. For more content on ChatGPT and other AI tools, please subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.